In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to denoise in Soundtrap. We'll walk through getting into Soundtrap, opening your project, and using the built-in vocal cleanup tool to remove background noise from a recording. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to choose the right strength so your audio sounds cleaner and more professional. Start by heading to Soundtrap's website in your browser. On the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. When the login options appear, choose Login with Google. Select your Google account to continue. This connects you to Soundtrap quickly without extra passwords, and it's the method we'll use here. Once you're in, click on Studio to open the Soundtrap workspace. This is where all your tracks and tools live. In your project timeline, click on the specific track you want to clean up. Make sure it's highlighted so any edits you make apply to that track and not to something else in your session. Now open the context menu for that track by right-clicking on it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking works the same way. From the menu that appears, choose Vocal Cleanup. This tool is designed to reduce steady background sounds like hum, fan noise, and light hiss, and it's especially effective for spoken word and vocal recordings. You'll see a strength control. This is where you decide how aggressively the noise should be removed. A lower strength preserves more of the natural character of the voice and is great for mild background noise. Medium is a solid starting point for typical room noise. Higher strength targets more stubborn noise, but it can start to affect the tone of the voice if pushed too far. If your audio is important for music or narration, aim for the lowest strength that gets the job done to keep things sounding natural. When you're happy with the setting, click Apply. Note that vocal cleanup requires an upgraded Soundtrap plan. If you're on a free plan, you may see a prompt about upgrading before the change can be applied. That's expected behavior for this feature. After applying, play your track back and listen to the quiet sections between words as well as the phrases themselves. You should hear less background noise while keeping clarity in the voice. If your track sounds noticeably dull or watery, the strength was likely too high, and a more conservative setting usually yields better results. That's it. You've successfully denoised a track in Soundtrap using vocal cleanup. Thanks for watching and happy editing.